Hey there. I was asked to do a video on, this is for the girls, breast tissue. So, lumpy boobs, breast cancer, predisposition to breast cancer, what it all means, and just to sort of have a quick chat about that. Because xenoestrogens are pretend estrogens that are out there in the environment, and they are attaching to our estrogen receptors on our cells, and they are stopping our cells from functioning properly. They used to believe that things like plastics were weak xenoestrogens. They used to believe that herbicides and pesticides were weak xenoestrogens. The last few years they've realized there's nothing weak about them whatsoever. They can absolutely change the way our bodies are working. So that's the first thing. So what do we do about this? So our estrogen receptors, the receptors on our cells, we've got up to 500,000 receptors on every cell in our body. If we are not cleansing our body on a daily basis, these things build up. So this is why, as humans, we need to be eating plenty of green leafy veggies, things like broccoli, things like spinach, things that have high levels of nutrients in them, because the greens help to methylate. So never hesitate to methylate, and it's the greens that do that in our body. They help to eliminate toxins from our tissues, and if we're not getting enough of them, we're going to be building toxins if we have certain genetic issues. So that's the first thing, plenty of greens. But then if we're getting lumpy breasts, you've got to be in the iodine. So that's just my first tip for the day, iodine and green leafy veggies. If you are getting lumpy tissue in your breast, iodine. If you have a predisposition in the family to breast cancer, iodine. If you have any thyroid thing in the world, just about, iodine. So greens, iodine. And we've got to be detoxing. So plenty of water, plenty of, you can do the old lemon juice in water. It helps to stimulate the liver. You can do things like calcium D-glucarate, really helps to support releasing dodgy estrogen from the body. I3C, indole 3-carbinol, another really good one. There's more to come, but that's my step number 1. Take care.